Hey everybody, it's Coach Hammock coming to you from beautiful Georgetown, Texas, here at Benold in room 122 with the answers to our work that we did in class today. It was page 393, 11, problems 14 through 20, and 24 through 30 even. After that, we're going to have a little introduction into what we're going to be going over tomorrow. No big deal. It's a lot of stuff that we've already done before in 8th grade math, just raising it up a little bit, bringing it to that next level. All right, so let's take a look right here. Here we go. Leave it on this screen for a second for you. On these problems, make sure, like on number 17 that we talked about, you're taking that 3 and moving it over and then multiplying by the 3 over 1. And then you can go and split it into a positive and a negative answer. You have to have just the absolute value by itself right there. All right, let's go on down right here. There you go. All right, guys. The other thing that we're going to talk about today is, let's go back right here and is translating verbal sentences into equations. Now with this, what we're talking about is basically understanding how sentences are going to be given to you. All right, and some of the ways that you're going to see that are going to be in things like sum. Well, just remember, sum is always going to be an addition problem. Difference. All right. That's going to be a subtraction problem right there. All right, so we have sum, we have difference. What about product? Product is going to be a multiplication problem. Multiply two things together. And then we have a quotient, and that's going to be a division problem. All right, so let's have a little example real quick. All right, 4 more than the absolute value. There we go. Absolute value of x from 3 is 8. All right, so let's look at this. 4 more than the absolute value of x from 3 is 8. Now, so this is kind of ambiguous because there's a lot of different ways. You could say 4 more than the absolute value of x from 3, but what you need to look for is things that you can group together. Like on this one, what I would group together is this x from 3. All right, x from 3. All right, so 4 more than the absolute value of x from 3 is 8. Well, I know is going to be equals, so we're going to say equals 8. Absolute value of x from 3. All right, so what I would do is I would go 3 minus x. That's x from 3. That's going to be the absolute value. And then it's 4 plus, so we could say 4 plus. Or it's going to be the same thing if we go absolute value of 3 minus x plus 4 equals 8. Right there. And then this is something that you could go ahead and solve. All right? So what I would suggest doing is once you write it down, read it back and see if it makes sense. 4 more than the absolute value, 4 more than the absolute value of x from 3 is 8. So to me that makes sense. I know this is something that we'll probably argue over the wording of some problems, and that's kind of the nature of this beast. All right, hopefully your evening's going well. Quick video tonight. Don't forget to write up a whisk on this. And that's about it, guys. Hope you have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow in class.